4C1, give me a backup on Spence. Have every respawn southbound on Spence from 8th. Get out of the way! Get out of the way! Get out! Get out!
Get out, car! You get shot, dude!
41 Griffin, the back of area 2 Roger, Spence and 8 for 4th come out.
Get out of the car, dude!
4C1, Cole Roberts at scene already. 4C1, shots fired, officer needs help. Shots fired, officer needs help.
Next officer needs help. Spence and 8, officer needs help. Spence and 8, shots.
Z1, I'm already Cole Roberts, quick. Hey, just put out comms and stuff like that, dude. Get out of the car, dude!
Spence and 8, all units help it up. 49, we're going down. Robert, quick, we're in route.
Hey, you never know.
49, Roger.
Are you hot?
I'm on.
41, Cole Robert, that's me already. All right, make that call.
Done? We're gonna grab the rifle. I grab the rifle? Oh, grab it. Let me grab it. Want to grab it? Okay, let's grab it, guys. Alright, come on, grab it. Okay, you're in front of me? Yep. Put that away. I got it. Go put it on. You gotta get out of the way, bro. Move around.
Stay out, Robert. Yeah, let me cut that strap. Don't bother handcuffing. Don't handcuff him. Just let him move it. Just let him move it. You don't need to handcuff him. Lean flat, lean flat, lean flat. Perfect.